Hello everyone, I am Ben with the BTC Sessions. I'm here in Sunridge Mall in Calgary, Canada, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a local Bitcoin ATM in my area. Now, this is actually, I'm working on a paid video from the owner of this Bitcoin ATM, but I figured it would be a good idea to share this video also on my main channel, just to outline some of the differences between the various types of Bitcoin ATMs out there. So let's take a look at this one in particular. Okay, so this Bitcoin ATM is located, as I said, in Sunridge Mall in Calgary, and it is put here by a company called BitcoinBrains.com. Now, the functionality of most Bitcoin ATMs are pretty similar. You've got your touch screen, you've got your little plate to scan your QR code or your address, and then anything to print out receipts and insert and receive bills. Yeah, that's pretty much par for the course for most ATMs. So let's take a look at the interface of this one. So first you're going to tap the screen here and you have the option to buy, sell, or redeem a ticket. So I'm going to hit buy Bitcoins. Then you have how much you'd like to buy. I'm going to hit the lowest option because the other ones require more identification. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull out my Bitcoin wallet. I'm using Copay here, which I've done a video on before, and I'll link below. I'm going to scan that QR code on my receiving screen, and this should pop up so that I can insert cash into the machine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull out my money. I've got a $20 bill here, and I'm just going to insert that into the lit up bill feeder down below. Once I've inserted that, I can continue to put in more cash, or I can finish up and I can hit buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to tap that button because I only want $20 right now. And this says that the transaction is completed, so I'm going to print a receipt just for my own records, which prints out immediately down below. And once I've got my receipt, I can also pull out my phone and take a look at my Bitcoin wallet once again. And if I go back to my activity feed here, I can see that I have received a transaction and that Bitcoin is en route to my wallet. So let's take a look at selling Bitcoins. If I hit sell here, again, I'm going to hit the low end. I'm just going to do a small transaction here. So I'm going to choose an amount. So what happens is you have plus 20 or plus $50 on the side here. I can tap those to get the amount I want, and I can lower the value there as well. So I'm going to sell $20 worth. I'm going to hit sell Bitcoins, and ask if you'd like to input a phone number to get a message as soon as your cash is ready. So I'm going to put that in. Skip ahead here. And so what's going to happen now is it's going to print me out a ticket. Now this ticket I need to keep, and I need to send Bitcoin to the QR code that is on my ticket. So let's see what that looks like. So I've got this ticket here. I'm going to open up my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm going to click the send button, or rather I'm going to hit the little circle in the top right corner for the Copay wallet, and this opens up my camera so that I can scan this QR code. Once you scan the QR code on this ticket, it automatically has a value associated with it, so it already knows how much money I have to send. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the send button here, and once I've confirmed that transaction as correct, I'm going to OK it, and shortly thereafter I will get a text message. Since I did put my phone number on the machine, I get a text message here saying that my Bitcoin is arriving to the machine. I will get a text message when withdrawal is ready, and that can vary the timeline on that. But I did some stuff and I got a text, so I went back to the machine here. I hit redeem ticket. I'm going to pull out that same QR code. Make sure you don't throw that away. That's very important. I'm going to scan it on the machine, same place that I scanned my phone before. And once it's been scanned, it processes for a second, and it says that everything's completed. So it will pop out a bill for me down below. And I have my money. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, drop a tip if you're able to, and share this video. I'll see you guys next time on the BTC Sessions.